Well, this still seems awkward. I'm coloring my own coloring book page that I drew. I'll give you an example. Here's the back of the coloring book of the, which one is it? Critters Around a Farm. So we're going to do 3 total for the back, and we're going to do 1 for the front, halfway done. That will make me consistent with my other 2 I've got out, Ocean Critters, and this one, Critters Around a Farm. The pencils I'm using are kind of nice. They're the Fine Touch 48 color pencil set I'm using for this page, and they seem to be good for soft shading and layering colors, bright colors. They, as you'll notice as we're going through, and look at the final drawing at the end, I think you'll agree it seems to be kind of light. It doesn't really pop as much as I wanted it to, but I think I can adjust a little bit, in Canva to put it on the back cover. So it is coming along nicely. I blended a lot of colors around the sun to give it some sun-like properties, I guess you'd say. And the tree, I was all right. I was happy with the tree. I used a couple different colors in there. The sky, I put quite a few different colors in to make it, try and get it to pop out a little more on the page. If you'll notice, I'm doing a smaller version of coloring for the back cover. I'm not doing a full-sized. In the coloring book, they are full-sized. They are 8.5 by 11. So don't let that be a concern. I just shrunk this down and threw it back on my cardstock so I could get a good grip on it and get the colors as vibrant as I could. Like I did with the last one, I'm going to do different types. I'm going to do a crayon one again. I like the crayon. Kind of brings me back to my kindergarten roots. The crayon was fun to draw or color with, and I think this one, I'm not sure which critter I'm going to use for the other 2. I think the lion will go up front. So if you want to know what those other ones look like, you can wait for the video, or you can watch me actually draw them and see them. Just go to my page and look up the playlist for African critters. A little fun facts here today. Giraffes can grow up to 18 feet tall. Their legs alone are taller than most humans, and they sleep about 30 minutes to 2 hours a day. I did not know that. I was not even aware. They often doze standing up so they can run from predators quickly. So that is interesting. Their tongues are about 18 to 20 inches long and are a dark bluish color to help avoid sunburn while reaching for leaves. Yeah, didn't know that either. So it's some little fun facts here. So if you like what I'm doing, like and subscribe, and I've got merchandise linked to the videos. I hope you have a great rest of your day.